How to open WhatsApp location in Google Maps. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can open a location shared via WhatsApp in Google Maps. To do so, first of all, open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Here, navigate to the chat where someone has shared their location. This could be a live location or even a pinned location. Once you open the chat, here now tap on the location link or pin that was shared to you. By tapping on it, by default, this may open in your device default's map app. If in case it opens in another Maps app, then you can simply tap and hold the link and the link will be copied. Once the link is copied, now you can open your Google Maps and in the search bar, you can enter the link. Now search for it. After that, you'll be able to location in your Google Maps. So by following the steps, you should be able to open WhatsApp location on Google Maps. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.